back, space explorers. We're about to take another exciting deep dive today.
Yeah, diving deep into the cosmos.
Always a fun time. And today, we are tackling a couple of the universe's biggest, most baffling mysteries.
Mhm.
Straight from, the best source we can think of, NASA.
Yeah, NASA's got a lot of good stuff out there.
Oh, yeah. Now, we've all heard about dark energy and dark matter.
Oh, yeah.
They're kind of like the rock stars of space mysteries, but what are they really? And, what's NASA doing to learn more about them?
That's what we're here to find out.
Exactly.
hmm
So first up, let's tackle this whole expanding universe thing. Now, we all know, since the early 20th century, scientists have known that the universe is expanding, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like baking raisin bread. As the bread rises, all of those raisins get farther and farther apart.
Yeah, it's a classic analogy.
It is. But here's where it gets really weird. So instead of slowing down a ball thrown upwards that eventually falls back down because of gravity, the expansion is actually getting faster.
Yeah, that's the head scratcher, isn't it? You'd think gravity would be pulling everything back together.
Right. Shouldn't it be like a giant cosmic brake?
You'd think so. But instead, it's like someone hit the gas pedal.
Exactly.
Right.
So what in the universe is going on? Well, scientists think it's all thanks to this mysterious force called dark energy.
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of like anti-gravity, right? It's pushing everything apart.
It is. It's this invisible force permeating all of space and driving this accelerated expansion.
Okay, so imagine this. We thought we had a pretty good grasp on the universe, how it works, how it expands, but then bam,
Yeah.
in the 1990s, this whole concept of dark energy just blows everyone's minds. It was a major paradigm shift. And honestly, it's still one of the biggest puzzles in all of astrophysics.
Oh, absolutely. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly what it is and how it works.
Okay, so dark energy is like this invisible hand pushing the universe apart. But then we've got dark matter, which is like the invisible glue holding things together. So riddle me this. Galaxies, right? They're just massive collections of stars, gas, and dust all swirling around. And, basic physics tells us that all that mass should create a ton of gravity, so why don't they just fly apart?
Yeah, that's a great question. And you're right. Based on the amount of matter we can actually see, like the stars and gas, there just shouldn't be enough gravity to keep galaxies intact.
It's like trying to build a house of cards in a windstorm.
Right. It should all just blow away.
But galaxies are stable. They're holding it together somehow, so there must be something else going on.
Right. And that's where dark matter comes in.
Okay, so tell us about this dark matter.
So dark matter, it's this invisible form of matter. It doesn't emit light. It doesn't reflect light. It doesn't absorb light. We can't see it directly.
It's invisible?
Exactly. But we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on the stuff we can see.
So it's like the ghost in the machine.
Right.
We can't see the ghost, but we can see the machine doing weird stuff.
Exactly. It's like, imagine you're watching a puppet show, right? And you see the puppets moving around, but you can't see the puppeteer.
Okay, so the puppets are the stars and galaxies, and the puppeteer is the dark matter.
I like that. So how much of this dark matter is there? Because I heard it's a lot.
It's a lot. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up a whopping 85% of the universe's total matter.
85%.
Yeah, 85%. Which means, for every pound of matter you can see, your
Yeah.
computer, your chair, your cup of coffee.
Me?
Yeah, there are 5 pounds of dark matter. You're probably even sitting in a cloud of it right now,
Yeah.
passing through you constantly.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing.
Okay, so dark matter's invisible. It makes up most of the matter in the universe, and it's kind of holding everything together. But how are we ever going to learn more about it if we can't even see it?
Well, luckily, NASA's got a plan.
They're launching this super powerful new telescope, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope.
Oh, I've heard of this.
Yeah, and it's set to launch no later than May 2027. And this telescope is going to be a game changer. It's going to help scientists study dark energy and dark matter in ways we've never been able to before.
Okay, so how is this Roman telescope going to help?
So it's going to be observing a huge chunk of the universe, like billions of galaxies, to see how dark energy is affecting their distribution and movement.
Okay.
And it's also going to be looking for signs of dark matter by observing how its gravity bends the light from distant galaxies.
Oh, like gravitational lensing, right?
Exactly, gravitational lensing.
Oh.
But, and this is a really cool bonus. The Roman telescope is also going to be searching for and imaging exoplanets, the planets outside our solar system. And that's a whole other area of exciting research.
So many mysteries.
Yeah.
But wait, I remember reading something about NASA collaborating with the European Space Agency on another mission to study dark energy and dark matter. Right.
You're right, they are. NASA's contributing to the Euclid mission, which is also going to be focused on mapping the distribution of galaxies and dark matter and trying to understand this whole dark energy thing.
So we've got the Roman telescope, the Euclid mission. It sounds like the next few years are going to be like the golden age of dark universe research.
It really does. And who knows what other incredible discoveries we're going to make.
Oh, I know. It's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. We've got this universe that's expanding faster and faster. We're pretty sure this mysterious force called dark energy is the culprit.
Right.
And then we've got these galaxies, which should be flying apart, but they're not. And we think it's because of this invisible stuff called dark matter that's holding them together. It's like the cosmic glue.
Yeah, a lot of invisible stuff going on out there.
Right. And honestly, it's just amazing how much we still don't know about the universe.
Absolutely. And that's what makes it so exciting.
Exactly. And if all this talk about dark energy, dark matter, and space telescopes has piqued your interest, and I hope it has, be sure to check out the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope website. We'll put the link in the show notes. It's really a great resource for anyone who's just curious about space.
Yeah, lots of cool information there.
But here's one final thought for you to ponder. If dark matter makes up most of the universe, like 85% of all the matter out there, what other secrets might it be hiding? What else could we discover?
Good question.
So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and who knows? You might just be the one to uncover the next big cosmic mystery. Until next time.
Until next time.
Bye-bye. Bye.